Okay, so I'm making a meal for my neighbor who was in the hospital, and I was gonna do a pork roast, but a beef roast, but beef is really super expensive right now, so I had to change plans. Instead of the beef roast, I'm going to use a pork roast, and we're gonna change our plans and have barbecue pork instead, and maybe some coleslaw and some French bread. Well, no, maybe not French bread, because if we do pork, let's see, let's get some buns for the pork, and then we can have some coleslaw and maybe make up some brownies or a cake, and I can maybe make a broccoli salad. I think we'll do that. That sounds good. See, I'm standing in the grocery store 3 seconds because I always have menus on hand. I can easily change what I need to go with what's on sale or what's less expensive. Okay, so while I'm standing here in the produce, I decided to change my mind again, and I'm gonna have pork roasts barbecued with buns and glazed carrots. I think that would be better. I think glazed carrots would be good. Okay, so I just spent $34 to get a meal for my neighbor who's in the hospital. Now, you're gonna say, what, Tara? I thought you were cheap. Well, I am, actually. So, for that $34, it's gonna feed us 2 meals, me and my family and my neighbor tonight. I don't know what's the proper grammar on that. So anyway, gonna get 2 meals tonight for 10 people. Then that roast was huge. I am probably gonna get at least 5 more meals for my family out of that. What am I gonna make with it? Green chili. I will make more barbecue pork probably. I will probably just use it as a pork roast, just by itself with potatoes and carrots and that kind of thing. So for that amount of money, for the 15 bucks I spent on the pork roast, I will get at least 7 meals out of that. That's pretty darn tootin' good if I do say so myself. And let's go home and make our pork roast. Hello, so I am back home again. I was going to show you how I make my pork roast. Now, first of all, when you go to take meals to people, please give them all disposable everything. Don't be cheap on this and make them wash dishes. Get disposable plates, disposable cooking containers, all of that good stuff. Now, this roast I'm going to put in here just so that I don't have to clean it personally, but what we're going to do is put it in here. Okay, so I have a whole thing of garlic right here. I'm going to make Tara's super delicious garlic pork. Just stab several holes in your pork, just like this. Take your garlic, shove that puppy in there. Oops, did I go? Yeah, I did. Get that one in there, and just start shoving garlic all in your pork. Okay, so we're gonna sprinkle a little bit of salt and pepper all over the top. We're going to take one of our onions. I'm going to slice our onion. I'm going to put a little bit of water in this one. We're going to put it in the oven for 7 to 8 hours at 250 degrees. Then, in the last hour, I will add my potatoes and carrots and finish cooking for 1 to 2 hours. Okay, so I did change my mind again at the grocery store, and I decided, even though broccoli is a little bit more expensive, this is a super easy green salad. So I'm going to go ahead and make my broccoli salad. Recipes in the description below. I'm going to cut up my broccoli. So, guess what? I forgot to film the conclusion showing my beautiful pork roast with broccoli. It was delicious. We had dinner rolls with it. Hamburger buns with it. And then I also made a thing of cupcakes for them for dessert. So here's how it ended up. For my $15 pork roast, I got 7 meals, 1 for the neighbor family, and then 6 meals for us. Green chili, barbecue pork, regular pork roast, and we had leftovers for that. That comes out to about 75 cents per person for the meals that we had. That is a stinking good deal. I wanted to show you guys the process of how I go grocery shopping when I don't have a list. I just went to the grocery store, looked what they had on sale. That is how you do it. Please like, subscribe, and share. And in the description below, you can get all the links for these recipes. Please visit us at livingonadime.com.